Welcome to the deep dive. Today, we are jumping straight into a really specific AI tool. It's called Holo AI.
That's a tryholo.ai for anyone looking it up.
Exactly. And we've been looking at a recent video review to figure out what it really promises and, what the whole world around it looks like.
And the main promise, it's massive. They're claiming you can launch 10 times more content
10 times.
and 75% faster. I mean, that's the whole pitch right there. It's all about hyperscaling your content.
Right. And even before you get to that big claim, the video points out this little marketing trick.
The discount code.
Yeah, the pick and win discount if you sign up with your email. It's a classic sign they're building an email list, not just selling a tool.
Okay, so let's unpack what it actually does. Holo AI says it can take your website, your brand voice.
Your existing stuff.
Right, and it transforms that into ready-to-use content. We're talking ads, emails, social media posts.
So the whole package.
The whole package, the pitch, is basically you get a full content team, but you don't have to hire anyone. It just works.
But that scale, I mean, the idea of generating hundreds of pieces of content while you sleep, that just sounds like a recipe for chaos.
It does.
How do you even check all of that? How can it possibly capture the nuance of a brand when it's just pumping stuff out overnight?
Well, that's the big question, isn't it? And it's where their quality claim comes in. They say they use the latest AI models,
Of course they do.
and these models are supposedly good enough to capture your brand's essence. They even call the output agency-like content.
Agency-like, that's a high bar to set for an automated tool.
A very high bar. So you get these three main things: ad creatives, social media content, and emails, all done for you.
And it starts at what, $39 a month?
From $39 a month, yeah. Sounds pretty accessible.
But we should probably zoom out a bit from just the tool itself.
Yeah.
Because the video review, it wasn't just about Holo AI.
No, not at all. It's a whole ecosystem.
Exactly. We're looking at everything that was being promoted alongside it.
Right, these little contextual nuggets. For instance, there is a link to something called the WOP course.
The AI music video course, right?
Yeah. For just $30, it teaches you how to make an AI music video. It's clearly aimed at creators who want, a quick and cheap result.
And then, completely separate from AI tools, there was a big financial promotion in there too.
The bank referral.
For an online bank called Simply Financial, you get $50 for opening an account.
And $125 for every person you refer.
Which is pretty significant.
It really is. And when you see that, you realize the video isn't just a review, it's a business. It's designed to bring in money from a bunch of different places.
The Holo AI part is just one piece of a bigger strategy.
So, yeah, we come back to that central idea. Holo AI is positioning itself as this seamless outsourced solution. Your content problem is solved while you sleep.
Right. It solves the volume problem. But that leaves a really big question for you to think about. If an AI can generate 10 times more content overnight, and everything becomes about speed, just sheer quantity.
Then what happens to the quality?
Exactly. How important is it really to capture a brand's essence if the game is just about being the fastest?
It changes everything. I mean, what does it mean if marketing becomes less about deep creative thinking and more about just hitting maximum velocity?
That's the real tension here, isn't it?
Yeah.
Speed versus depth. And that's something anyone using these tools is going to have to figure out for themselves.